think I need to go through the front door.
Gone so blessed. Pray for me. For me. Pray I find my way.
Moving today, it's so bright. The people that stole my suitcase from the storage cage, this storage cage right here, when my suitcase was stolen, I noticed this on the floor, this lollipop. So it probably belongs to one of them, and it's been here since then, and I refuse to touch it. Okay, let's go. I'm not gonna record the entire way. We're just gonna go straight to the house. I'll see you there. All right, so I just got to the new place. Came here to clean, and I brought some stuff with me as well. Just kind of start moving a little. I'm really not in a hurry because I'm still in the other place till like 1st of February, which is cool. But I think I just kind of feel a little bit weird because I'm not in a hurry. It's just so weird. I'm used to having to move quickly because the lease is ending. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, anyway, I'm here to clean. There are people living here before me, and they didn't keep it in the best condition, in the utmost condition. It's not a terrible condition. There's just some dust everywhere as well, and there's some marks on the wall that I want to try and get off, or maybe repaint if I can't get it off before I put my things in there, especially this cupboard right here, which is where my books and stuff are gonna go into. So yeah, so watch me clean my new house before I fully move in. I hope you enjoy this video, and Merry Christmas. I'm filming this on Christmas Day or Happy New Year, whatever this is gonna go up. I bought liquid soap, disinfectant spray, a filler, just in case I want to fix some parts of the wall before I kind of try and wipe it, or I don't know, dishwashing liquid as well. Paper towel, sandpaper, white paint. I'm gonna test the wall first. Another white paint. Got my brush. Hair freshener. This place still smells stuffy, and I just opened some windows. Sponge, wipe. This is sugar soap. Melamine sponge. It's like a dry eraser. It's an eraser kind of sponge to take off marks off wall. Spray bottle. There's supposed to be bleach in there, but I forgot it. Also speaker to listen to music. And my phone. Okay. I'm gonna spray it down first. Kill the vibe, but I just want your love. No drama. You know what? I'm gonna paint it. I need to put lights in here, I think. There's no light in here. Yay. I'm literally just pouring it on a sponge and then I use it to stain the wall. I've already prepped the corners with the brush. It's so much easier, honestly. Yes, looking better. We're still moving. Binti has arrived to come and help me. Oh wow, what a yarn. We've taken some stuff to the car. What did we take to the car?
The plant and kitchen stuff. Two boxes, I think.
Yeah.
And the table.
Yes, the dining table that was there.
And some makeup from the
and some makeup from the Alex drawer. So in terms of the makeup, because I've already unscrewed the drawer, you know, in the Alex line drawer, I was able to just pick up the drawer, put it in a suitcase, and then take it to the car. And that's how I'm going to transport the makeup, because this is heavy to move with the drawer, even if it doesn't have makeup. And Binti brought food. Food. Help you carry on. Let me look for the house key. We are going to the house now. Binti and Elizabeth are going into Binti's car, and we've got stuff in my car. As you can see, we've got my plant here. We've got a suitcase there that's filled with some drawer from the Alex 9 drawer. Some of my clothes are here, and the dining table is there as well. So there they are. Hello, mamacitas. Can I borrow some honey? Because you look like honeys, honey.
Oh, I like it. Oh, my lady. So much space, actually. Oh, I just have the camera. Oh, no.
Going up and down the stairs is going to be hella annoying, actually.
I know, but it's a workout. Right? It's a workout. Wow. And this is the bedroom.
Oh, dua.
It's smaller than usual, but it's nice.
It's smaller than usual.
Yeah. The master bedroom. The bed will fit.
Yeah, it'll fit.
Oh, she even has an aircon in here.
What?
Yeah,
in each room she does.
Oh, nice. If you don't have a guest room, I'll take that room.
Can you pick this up? Oh, is there enough for it?
I think you dropped it on the way here. No, you dropped down the stairs.
Oh, you keep dropping.
Okay, it's way too hot in here.
Yeah.
But there's no electricity.
Yeah.
Look at the windows. To the wall. Ah, these windows as well. Just take some eyeballs. To the wall, you.
Yeah.
Well, Esther, you definitely lose weight in this house. Honestly. Every day.
God. We can take some over to the other side. It's okay, we still fit here, Liz.
Where's she going?
I don't know. You said I know. I said if it doesn't fit in here, Liz. That's gonna be organized later, but that's there. That is there for now.
Woo!
Woohoo! Oh, let's check this makeup then if it. Oh Lord.
Do you have a bath?
No, you can see there is none.
I thought there was a bathroom downstairs.
There's just a toilet downstairs, a powder room.
Right.
That's why when she was saying bathroom, I kept saying shower. Oh. I mean, it's not as what's the word?
I didn't know.
It stayed intact, ish.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I wanna get in the convertible. The move continues today. I've got my bed in the car and some of my clothes. Oh, good. Come on. There's some cobwebs around. I'm just using this to sweep the corners of the house. Let's remove negativities. Let's go ahead and do a quick haul, shall we? So I found this. This was on sale. This is a center boot glass. This is what it looks like. Let's open it. It is literally a boot. I also found this. All these things were on sale. And even though there's not a lot of money in my account, I still have to pick them up because they were on sale. Try not to hoard this time around. I'm only trying to buy things that are practical. Do you know what I mean? but this was on sale and practical. So this is a 3-piece glass candy jar set. That is it. Decent size. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than this, but it's not bad. I've always wanted one of these. This is LED gold look candles, and this was, I think, $5. Yes. This is the second set. This is what the remote looks like. Vinyl adhesive. I bought the black one. I decided to get a black one for the kitchen counter. And I also found this one as well that has like leaf on it. This one right here. So I'm gonna put this in the bathroom somewhere. I also picked up a pet toy. I don't have a dog yet, but speaking into existence, that's gonna happen. I picked up some ice tray, a unicorn one, and I think this is like a leaf kind of, I don't know, but yeah. And silicone pot grabber, but I'm gonna put this on the kitchen countertop so that way I can put my pot on it, so that way I don't put it on top of the vinyl adhesive paper because it's not heat resistant. And picture frame that says friends on it, so I can put me and my friends' photos in there. I also got book hands. This is for my eyeshadow palettes. I also went to Bunny's and picked up this light suction cup. This is for the bookcase, cupboard, the stationery cupboard, because there's no light in there. So I picked up 2, was like $1.50 each. I also picked up sample pot for the paints that I was using for inside of the cupboard, and another pine disinfectant. That is it. Now I'm gonna do the kitchen countertop. So I'm gonna cover it with black adhesive. All right, today, whatever it is, but today is the 28th of December and we're still moving. I've just been taking my time because, once again, I think I've already mentioned it, I'm here for another month. So I'm just taking my sweet ass time, okay? But today we're gonna be moving the fridge. My brother-in-law and my cousin are coming very soon, in about an hour or so. And I already turned off the fridge yesterday, which is good. So now I'm just gonna empty it. Take some trays that's a bit, that's not stuck to the fridge. I'm gonna take them out so that way like it doesn't break during transition. Transition. In transit, so it doesn't break in transit. That's the word. My brother-in-law and my cousin are almost here. They're 5 minutes away, so I'm just gonna start moving this out. Just to see, you can move a fridge yourself. It's okay. I still accept help. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
You waiter.
Like a dancer. Elizabeth is filming because there's not much she can do here in terms of moving it.
Yeah,
I was gonna try and ask, why isn't she helping?
I can't help. It makes no sense. Got it?
Because it has to be wiggled in. Wiggle,
Yeah.
Yep, now it's easy.
It's easy.
Look at that. It's because it was on the carpet, that's why it was hard.
It's easy.
Okay, now we're gonna go downstairs, open the garage, put it in my brother-in-law's car. Yeah, it's all empty. Now, kilo that day. Stop. Yay! How are you? Oh, shock you. Oh, shock you. Mude wa record Oluwa show. Oh, shock you. I saw your face. Hi. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Hello. Hi. You took your hair out. Look at you. Where are you going? Why are you dressed? I don't know. I'm just used to seeing everyone dressed. Hey, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Why are you looking? Why are you confused?
Hi.
Hey, Zoe.
I missed you.
How are you? How are you? She looks so cool. Low and bare. It's just one fridge. Washing machine. I don't know.
Let's go see what they're doing.
What are you doing, Zoe? No, come back here. Come.
Don't worry.
Time out. Actually, I think I'll be fine. Fine. No, but let my people, you want to be already. Move. Yeah, moving.
7, watch your step. Count them.
Yeah, moved 1. Thank you. Which I forgot the space. Look at Zoe's.
Oh, the light is getting bright.
Hi, Zoe.
I'm not getting a good
Careful, there's a corner there, okay?
Fire has got my back.
So what happens here is we go.
I think he's sitting on the stairs.
We have to bend, so we have to go
Straight, you keep coming here.
Careful, guys.
Leave it on my list.
Okay.
It's scaring me, man.
Up. Yeah.
No.
Out. Go back.
Uh-oh.
Back down.
Up.
Lift it up.
Up. Wait. What's that?
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. I saw my lawyer.
Yay!
I need to have more fun.
You made it.
Listen.
Are you okay?
I am done. Yeah, I'm not doing it again. You can finish this.
You know you're on camera.
It's like covering the voice.
Ah, of course I am.
Covering the voice for a while.
What is that? Marijuana.
My what?
Marijuana. Thank you,
It's my
Zoe.
key.
Thank you. Yeah, we don't plug it. We don't turn it on yet.
Just plug it. Tap on it.
The fridge is in.
Hey.
This fridge needs to be cleaned.
Yeah, I guess. I've got my spray anyway.
Doesn't know our fingerprint machine.
No, they say it's fingerprint proof. Okay.
I mean, it stayed.
It is.
Yeah, it stayed. But look at how loose it looks. Look at that.
Horrible nut job.
But it's not me. It's not me, you nut job. But literally, guys, it was hard to sit. Like that's where I was sitting, and Bitty was over there holding this.
I'm used to it.
Wait, you're going too fast.
Oh.
You see how low the light is? It brightens.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
How?
Okay. What do you mean? Did you say how or
Yeah.
how?
How?
It just brightens. It keeps. Let's go. It's on my boob. He was still figuring the light. Bitty, you're just dragging me. Oh, it's still cool.
Okay. How are you gonna cut it?
What date is it? Today's the 30th. I am bored. I'm at the new house waiting for them to deliver my internet modem. It's not here yet. It's between any time from now, which is 12:20, and 5 p.m. So I've been watching TikTok for hours and I am bored. So I'm gonna try and organize my bookcase, my book cupboard, my stationery cupboard. I look crazy, y'all. Whoa. And exposed, but this is what the stationery cupboard is looking like. We just shoved everything in there that's meant to belong in there, you know, when I moved in and whatnot, which was only like a day or so ago. So now I'm gonna try and organize it. Organize it, okay? Yeah. There's a fire lighting in my yet you almost had it all. It could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. All right, so basically everything is out, and I say basically because the school stuff is there. So now I'm just gonna try and start organizing it. All right, after about an hour, we are all done. Not bad. It's not super organized because I have too much stuff in there, but not bad. I put the lights back here for nighttime so I can see. Fantastic. So down there are shoes and some things I need to post. Textbooks, notebooks, some games, and DVD for like fitness. My novels, some business cards, books, you know, reading books. My photo there, some stationery stuff here. Some stationery stuff here too, and just some knickknacks. And yeah, and I've got a photo of me and my friend there. This one lights up, cool. And up there, it's just like some random stuff, like extra frames. I don't know where to put them. My graduation cap frame, and it's filled out with money in. And that's basically it. So I just drove in. My mattress is in a car. I gotta move it out. This is a double mattress, by the way. It fits in here. Let's take this out first. Tried to fit my couch in here earlier, but it didn't fit. Hi.
Going down?
Yeah.
Alright.
We're gonna try and fit this in my car. It didn't work.
No, I didn't.
The couch is not very big, so I thought it was gonna fit, but it didn't. So this is what fits. So I'm gonna transfer this from my car upstairs. I'm gonna sleep in this tonight in the living room. I think I need to go through the front door. Are you okay? Yes, you are. Oh God. Get a mattress up the stairs. Ain't no joke. Oh, I ripped it. Just a little. It's okay. We made it.